What if I told you there is a multi-billion-dollar video platform quietly building an empire completely hidden from most of the world? While YouTube dominates global screens, China's Gen Z is obsessed with an entirely different app called Bilibili. But here is the crazy part. Bilibili is now expanding internationally. Could this hidden giant actually pose a threat to YouTube's global empire? Launched originally as a niche hub for anime, comics, and gaming, Bilibili has transformed into China's ultimate digital culture engine. What makes it truly unique is a feature called Danmu, or bullet comments. Instead of scrolling down to read comments like you do on YouTube, user reactions fly directly across the video screen in real time. It turns a quiet solo viewing experience into a massive collective virtual stadium event. The way creators make money is also completely different. YouTube relies heavily on standard video ads powered by Google. Bilibili, on the other hand, thrives on hyper-engaged community, where over 370 million monthly users spend hours every single day. So can Bilibili actually dethrone YouTube on the global stage? To be honest, it is highly unlikely. While Bilibili has launched international versions to recruit overseas creators, it faces massive roadblocks. Strict content censorship rules, heavy language barriers, and global regulatory scrutiny make worldwide adoption extremely tough. Plus, YouTube's massive infrastructure and universal advertising ecosystem remain nearly untouchable. Ultimately, Bilibili might not destroy YouTube overnight, but it is proving that the future of online video belongs to deeply interactive communities. So what do you think? Would you ever watch a video with comments floating right across your screen? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more tech breakdowns.